Hi viewers, welcome to my new video. Today I will discuss about the advantages of CAD. Number 1. Saves time. When you are using the computer aided design software, it will save your time and you can make better and more efficient designs in shorter time duration. Number 2. Easy to edit. When you are making designs, you may find the need to make alterations. When you are using computer-aided design software, it will be much easier to make any changes because you can fix the errors and modify the drawings easily. Number 3. Decrease in error percentage. As the CAD software makes use of some of the best tools, the percentage of error that occurred because of manual designing is significantly reduced. Number 4. Decreased design effort. When it comes to the amount of effort that was needed for the sake of designing the different models, it has been reduced significantly because the software automates most of the task. Number 5. Code reuse. As the entire task is carried out with the help of computer tools, it removes the problem of duplication of labor. You can copy the different parts of code and design which can then be reused multiple times over and over again. Number 6. Easy to share. The CAD tools make it easier to save the files and store it in a way that you can use it time and again and send it without any unwanted hassles too. Number 7. Improved accuracy. There is absolutely no doubt about the fact that the kind of accuracy that CAD software will offer can never be achieved by opting for manual drawings. You have tools to measure the precision, skill and accuracy level of the designs. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel for new video.